For part 5 of the Zoom tutorial, we'll talk about navigating a Zoom call. So we'll talk about the privacy settings, so the video and the microphone and what the chat box looks like, screen share, who can do it, what does it do, and how do you chat with someone. Unfortunately, I can't show you how to do the gallery view or what a pinned or speaker video is, but when you click on the images, once you see a picture, you'll be able to navigate those much easier. So if you take a look, you'll see that there is different icons or pictures at the bottom of the screen. There's participants, there's security, there's your video, and if you don't want your video on, you just click on and then a red diagonal happens where it's muted, so you can stop your video and stop your microphone. If you want to see how many people are in the Zoom or how to chat, you click on the participants with the arrow. You can click on for the share screen. When you want to open them up, you just go to the arrow to click on. When you want to record, you can click on the record button, and over in the top left-hand corner, which it's not visible here, you will be able to see where it says recording. Now, some of the things that were not shown in the video that were unable to show in the video was when you click on the participants, it will open up to show you how many people are there, and you can change the settings of whether they're muted, whether they can rename themselves. There are many different options. Do not worry. Click on the arrow and explore. You will not break Zoom. So a couple of things that are important for you to remember when using Zoom. Remember that you need to have a valid email address. So if you don't already have an email address, please make sure that you have one. The other thing that is also important is to browse through the settings and make sure that you are choosing the ones that are right for you. And then always, always, always make sure and check and see if your Zoom software needs to be updated. It will not tell you that it needs to be updated. You don't get reminders as you do on your phone for all your other apps. So you have to check for the current one. The best way to do that is you can do a web search and say most current or updated Zoom, and there is a bunch of numbers, and you want to make sure that the numbers for that Zoom matches your Zoom software. I want you to know that you can't break the software, so don't panic. And the best way to learn is to practice, practice, practice. That is it. I hope this Zoom tutorial was helpful.